Hi gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video, I am super excited because we're going to be testing out some new lashes. If you guys have seen my previous video of DIY, how I do my individual lashes, you can check that out. It was super easy. I really do enjoyed it. I've been basically doing that technique this whole entire time, but I've been seeing this lash right here. This is the Kiss Lash, the New York Way to Lash False Cara. I've been seeing this a lot in social media world, also in TikTok, and I said, why not try this out? So this has the eyelash whips, and it has the bond, and it also has the seal and the applicator. So I haven't tested this out yet. Why not wait and do a video and test it out together so you guys can see how it really is. And I will link all these products down below. I actually got this from Amazon. I'm gonna link that down below so you guys, if you guys see how easy it is on me, you guys can purchase it. Right now, I don't have anything on, so my lashes look really bare. Like, it looks naked. Like, I need some lashes so I can like look a little more put together. So this claims to be no clumps, no smudge, no strips, no damage. I don't want no damage on my lashes. You get what I'm saying? So it says no damage and no mistakes. So that means anyone can do this. That's what they claim. First, let me talk about this real quick. I know we're talking about the lashes. This was sent in the mail for me, so I wanted to talk about this real quick. This is the IMETHOD BEAUTY Power On Plumping Lip Gloss. So if you guys are in need of a affordable plumping lip gloss, this is it. I'm going to open it up here so I can show you. I have, if you guys want to know, this is the Power On. So it looks just like this, and this is the number 608. Let me open it up so you guys can see it. So it looks just like this. This is the plumping fill and lip. So if you guys are looking for a plump lip and it's super affordable, because I tried a lot. I tried a lot of lip plumpers, especially from Too Faced, but this is one that is super affordable, and you can also purchase this on Amazon. I will link this down below. So if you guys want to test it out, then you guys can. But let me put it on my lips so you guys can see. But it's really cute. It's like a cute little soft pink color. That's how it looks. And it smells so good. Like, it smells like bubblegum, which I love bubblegum. But let's put it on our lips. We gotta have our lip looking fine when we're doing these lashes. So this has a little gloss to it, so it gives you like a little pink tint to your lip, and it does tingle your lip, which I love when it tingles because that means that it's working. So if you guys are in need of a lip plumper and you want your lip to be a little more fuller and beautiful and a little bit of color and shine, try this out because this is really cute and I do like it, and I love the smell. Like, I'm talking to you guys and I can smell it. It smells really good. So if you guys check the website out from Amazon, they have a lot of these. It's not just one color. They have, I think, like 6 colors of different shades, so you guys would not be disappointed. So check them out. I got the pink one because I really do like it for the summer, and I really do think it's really cute. So if you guys are in need of a lip plumper, check them out. I will link this down below. So let's begin with the lash tutorial. So I already opened the package up, and this is how the lashes look like. I'm going to be using this one for my right eye and this one on my left eye. And it comes with this. So it has the bond on this side, and then it has the seal on this side. So it makes it super easy to use. And it comes with the applicator. All you have to do is just place it on the corners and then go all the way in. So let's see if this is really easy and if it really does the trick. So these are how my lashes look right now. It's super plain, little short, really bare. So for the first thing I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to bond my lashes. So I'm gonna open the bond up right here, and this is how the bond looks, just like that. And all I'm gonna do is, I guess, brush my lashes. I really hope that this really works because this looks like super easy to apply. I'm going to be using my applicator. So it looks just like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm going to place that in the outer corner, guys. This is the starter kit. So I'm just testing this out, and so far it looks like the length of my lashes. So I'm going to see how it works, and then if I do like it, I'm going to see if they have bigger and fluffier size, because this actually looked like it blends with my lashes. So let me do the second lash. It literally sticks in so well. So that's the second one. So far I have 3 more to go on this side. I don't want to jinx it, guys, but like for real, it was easy. Now let's do the third one. All right, I like it. On my fourth one. Let's do the last one. Guys, my channel, I'm here to give you everything that is easy, simple, and fast. All right, so I have the lash. I already completed one eye, and that's how it looks, which it looks really cute, and it looks so freaking natural. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to use the seal one, and that's the blue one, the side seal, and I'm going to seal it with this. So let's seal it. This is the one that's going to make it last longer. All right, so that's my right eye, guys, and this is my left eye. This is with nothing, and this is with it. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna fast forward this one really quickly, and then I'll tell you how I feel about this, and if I will purchase it, and if I will keep doing it. So let's do this one real quick, and then we'll talk about it. All right, guys, so this is it. These are my lashes. How beautiful are they? They're super natural and really cute. They're wondering how long it's supposed to last. It's supposed to last for like a week to 2 weeks, which I really do like that. And it's supposed to be waterproof. You can wash your face and it won't come down, because that's why you have the bond and also the seal. I definitely will try more lashes from Kiss, because I want a more fluffier, more exotic look. This was a little more on the natural side, but I do really like it because it gives my eye, it opens it up, and is a little more, my lashes are darker and beautiful. So I would definitely give it a 10. I will link this product down below because I really do enjoy it, and I really think that if you guys are into lashes and you don't want to spend the lash money, we don't have that. I don't have that. So if you guys want to do the affordable route and the easy way out, this is it. So I will link this down below. And yeah, guys, it was super affordable. I really do like it. I really did enjoy it because it was so easy and it was really fun. And I also will link the IMETHOD Beauty, the lip plumper, also down below if you guys want to purchase it. If you guys are looking for a lip plumper and an affordable one that smells good and has a different variation of colors, I will also link that down below. this is how my lips look in 10 minutes. I think it looks really good, and it gives it a little volume and a little shape, and it still has that tingly feeling. So if you guys do enjoy the tingly feeling, then this is it. And like I said, you wait for 5 to 10 minutes and your lips will be a little more plumper. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video, guys, bye.